fresh green pastures. The path is somewhat bumpy at times.
Yeah, this one.
There's this one here?
Yeah. Chắc tu na mùi tiền. Phi à?
It's really too pale.
Coming, the male gone, female. Okay, cool. I just started like this.
We are departing now. We're on the boat, heading down the river here. Overall, a nice peaceful day. There haven't been that many birds, but it's okay. I'm here just to see the nature, kind of take it in, and also too, there was some kind of quote that came up, some kind of videos and things I was watching. I think it was the Daily Stoic with Ryan Holiday saying about tips from Marcus Aurelius, and one of the things that he said is that, you know, you gotta just wake up early. So this particular tour is a more early one. Had to wake up at 4:30, and you know what? That was challenging for me. That was challenging, so I think it's good sometimes. You just gotta just wake up and start the day, and you can't like waste the day. And you gotta wake up, or at least strive to wake up when the sun comes up, which can be difficult. So regardless of what happens today, I consider it a productive day because, hey, I woke up early. So one thing to note is that the air is very clean. Very clean out here. Feels great to breathe in. So there's another gentleman in a boat up in front. He has some type of DSLR camera. Looks to be some kind of photographer. looks like we're powering up a little bit, going a little bit faster. Gonna punch through this. And we made it. Out here getting some footage at the birdwatching reserve in the outskirts of the city. The nature is pristine. Many birds around, although most of the birds have left. I've been informed that the bird season is from December to March. But regardless, still great to be out here in the nature. Just taking it all in.
Cần bị sợ cái sao vậy mà bạn smart cái bao nhiêu công việc cho dương ăn bạn bơ nó phó ở cái hồ lửa chẳng từ đó camper cần bị sợ còn mà kỳ mang kênh cái xa kênh này đi nai heron watercock sound. And then the bird sanctuary. Yeah. Achutan and pelican.
Finish this
You
here.
can finish some bread, it's okay.
Some bread?
Yeah. If you finish, it's good. I don't know the thing yet.
Coffee. That's an interesting book. What is that there? This here?
Sorry?
That's a book.
Yeah.
A bird book.
Yes.
Bird book. And the language is in Khmer.
Khmer and English.
Oh, Khmer and English.
Yeah, Khmer, English, and French.
And French too.
Yeah.
Wow.
But now they have the new book. They have update because the Asian bird.
Oh, the Asian ones.
Yeah.
What is this in Khmer?
This one?
Yeah, the word.
សត្វស្លាបនៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជា bird in Cambodia.
Bird.
Yeah.
So this word means bird.
Yeah. You see, សត្វស្លាប that means bird.
Sat salam.
Yeah, សត្វស្លាប
Sat slam.
Yes.
Slab.
Sat slab.
Yeah, សត្វស្លាប
Sat slab.
Yes, that means bird.
Bird. Sat slab.
Yeah.
Slab means slab.
Slav. Sat Slav.
Oh, Cambodia.
Cambodia.
Yeah,
Sat Slav Cambodia.
yeah.
Sat Slav
Now they
Cambodia.
have the update the big one that because they can find more species.
Mm.
They update the bigger one.
Oh, the
They have
big group.
the red watcher in here.
Get to go up? Is it safe?
Oh, no.
No.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
It's okay.
Dangerous.
Not strong enough. Yes.
Strong? No.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
sir.
No, he said no.
Is it
Lang nữa nè. No problem. He said no problem.
no problem?
He's on here.
It's strong?
Ở đây. Mà lang xa mơ mà. Còn trong lang thọt này. It's you know shrine. Spirit homes spirit home. In the 1988.
This is super sketchy, man. Look at the gossamer of the spider web. Can you see that?
You know.
Yo, this is so sketch.
Around here, this area is big tree like that. And then Vietnam is burning. And destroy all the mangrove forest. They said that Peru or Pol Pot.
Fishermen.
Yeah.
Yep.
My team
Oh, your team?
find the food.
Many birds there. In the lake.
Really?
There's birds in the lake. Taking a bath.
No, the duck.
Oh, duck.
They're feeding duck.
Ah, okay, duck. After now being in Asia for 3 weeks, I would have to say that it's untapped, a lot more rustic and natural, and if you're an explorer, it has it's that untainted kind of vibe, that unwesternized vibe. Whereas, you know, my time spent in Colombia and in Brazil, in South America, it was very nice. I loved it, and it was an amazing stepping stone. You know, the first stepping stone out of the U.S. But South America now has turned into, it's become extremely westernized. It's so hard to find places, natural places in the world with the nature preserved, because everything is encroaching. Poachers, people trying to exploit things, governments, and illegal hunters. All of the natural habitats of the world are becoming endangered, and they're changing rapidly. Almost becoming, now they're going towards going away. This gentleman here was explaining to me how China is doing some hydroelectric things on the river up north, which has affected the large salt or freshwater lake here with floods, and there's people cutting down parts of around the lake for years that have been damaging the ecosystem. So long story short, it's just, and it's happening everywhere in the world. But I'm very impressed at the luscious, verdant, the greens, the fields. It's so vibrant.